in 2010 by Ultimate Solutions, U Academy is a specialized training center with a clear purpose, developing certified professionals in technologies that drive pharmaceutical, biotech, and medical device operations. We offer a wide range of courses delivered by instructors with active industry experience and hands-on operational expertise. Our facilities include fully equipped lab stations for wiring, pneumatics, and sensors, along with robots, PLC panels, Cognex vision cameras, and serialization systems, all of which are replicated across Puerto Rico, the United States, and Spain. Every instructor is certified by our technology partners, Systech, Cognex, Fanuc, and Rockwell Automation. At U Academy, we operate under an ISO 9001 certified quality management system. We are also officially accredited by the College of Engineers and Surveyors of Puerto Rico, endorsed by the Medical Device Cluster, and recognized as an authorized training provider supporting technical workforce development under WIOA and apprenticeship programs.
We have 3 regions with one standard of excellence of U Academy. We measure success by its impact. 95% of our students and clients are satisfied with the program and return.
In every session, our professionals leave in the classroom with real confidence. They don't just understand the system, they learn how to program, troubleshoot, and validate automated equipment.
At the Academy, I completed the U-Value and Field Engineer certification. I secured my current role as a project manager. The Academy opened this door for me in the industry.
In U Academy, we never stop growing. We opened a new training facility in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico. Aguadilla sits at the heart of one of Puerto Rico's fastest growing technology development corridors, making it the ideal location to expand access to specialized life sciences training. And we launched a brand new course, Industrial Robotics, designed for engineers and technicians who work with robotic and collaborative automation systems in pharmaceutical and medical device manufacturing environments. We offer a variety of courses, whether you are an engineer looking to certify your skills or a company building your technical team. U Academy has a program for your operation. And for our Spanish-speaking professionals across Puerto Rico and Spain, all training is also available in Spanish. Explore the full course calendar.